Where do I find my employer ID number on Jackson Hewitt? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and on the search bar, search for jacksonhewitt.com. Then click on Login/Sign Up option and then select My JH account from this option. Over here, you will first have to enter your username or email ID, then enter your password and click on the Sign In option. Once you have been signed into your account, navigate to the section where it says Continue My Return. Then you want to look for the section related to employment or income information. This is where you're going to find your details about your employer, including your EIN, which is the employer ID number. If you have a W-2 form from your employer, the EIN is often located in box B. It is a 9-digit number and you may need to enter it as a part of your employment information. In the relevant section, there should be a specific field or entry box labeled Employer EIN or Employer ID. Enter the 9-digit EIN provided on your W-2. Then double check the EIN you enter to ensure accuracy. Mistakes in entering the EIN could lead to errors on your tax return. Continue through the employment or income section, providing any additional information requested about your employment. After entering the EIN and other relevant information, review your entire tax return. If you are ready to file your tax return, follow the prompts to complete the filing process. This may include the option to file electronically. After successfully filing your return, save any confirmation message or a copy of your return for the records. If you have any difficulties while following this process, you want to contact the customer support of Jackson Hewitt. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or difficulties, do leave them on the comment section below.